So child safety is your hobby. Let's turn your craft into money. DIY Arts and Craft Program. Scenario 1. DIY Arts and Crafts Program for preschoolers, kinderschoolers, and elementary schoolers. NSPT4Kids.com reported that arts and crafts teach children to think and act as artists, makers, and designers and work creatively and intelligently. It helps them develop an appreciation of and engagement in art, craft, and design as critical consumers and audiences. It helps them develop an understanding of its role in the creative and cultural industries that shape and enrich their lives. And it helps them to engage multiple brain areas simultaneously and improve bilateral coordinations between the left and the right side of the brain, leading to immediate and future cognitive development. Please like, share, and subscribe. NSPT4Kids.com also reported that arts and crafts accelerate the development of muscles in the hands and fingers, improving fine motor skills that are essential for school success in the earliest formal years. It also promotes rich social interactions that help develop language skills and social cognitive abilities like understanding emotions. It also provides face-to-face interaction in the early years, which is critical for optimal social development. It also stated that creative activities are a great way to bond with other children and create lasting memories. If you are interested in child-friendly environments, consider room transparency. Be sure to utilize an open floor plan to ensure that everyone has a view of everyone. Open spaces minimize the use of small enclosed rooms such as private offices. This provides an environment of transparency, which makes it easier to provide child safety. Also consider parent transparency. Provide a daily schedule of activities before, during, and after school time. This way you provide service to preschoolers, kinderschoolers, and elementary schoolers. Make it a parents welcome program so that parents have the option to stay and participate with their children during the program. If you don't have a hobby, find a craft that you like. There are a host of crafts available to you. Find out who needs what you produce with your craft. There's always a need. Sometimes people don't know what they need until you bring it to them. Become an expert in your craft by learning everything about it. The more you know about your craft, the better you can exploit it. Become a frequent visitor of Hobby Money.